Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how you can take and share screenshots in your Flutter or Flutterflow project. I will give you a quick view on how this looks. So when I click on this person here, there will be a screenshot made and I can share it. So I will just click on it and you see there's a screenshot and I can share it. So how can we do this? Um, I want to show you how to do this in Flutterflow, but you can also do this in Flutter. So I will show you how to do it right now. So let's go to Flutterflow. At first, I will show you how to implement it. So um, I added this action to this person. So in this case, we wanted the screenshot to be made when we click on this person, but you can also just put it on a button. So for example, we can take this button, let's duplicate, um, name it whatever, take screenshot and I'll just clear the actions I added before. So we have this button with take screenshot right now, and now I'll show you the code that will take the screenshot. By the way, this code works on Android and also on iOS. And for iOS, there are some tweaks we'll have to make regarding the permissions. I don't know which ones because I only do it on Android myself, but keep that in mind. But otherwise, it should work. Okay, so let's have a look at the code. Um, Basically, I added this custom action. So click on add, action, whatever, and just add a custom action. I named this one make and share screenshot. So first I will tell you which packages you need. You have to import the crossfiles package, the permission handler package, the native screenshot package, the path provider package, and well, we have the permission handler package twice here. We don't need that. I'll remove that one. And the share plus package. In order to import these, you will have to add these pubspec dependencies, permission handler, Flutter native screenshot, and well, that's basically it. You don't need to import the share plus package. Sorry, you don't need to add the share plus package to your pubspec dependencies because Flutterflow imports them automatically, so you don't need that one. So you don't have to add this one to your pubspec dependencies. That's what I wanted to say. So for your pubspec dependencies, you only need the permission handler and Flutter native screenshot. So, and this is the code. So at first, you see this code returns a bool. This bool represents whether the screenshot was taken successfully, and it also takes the function also takes this build context. So therefore, when you're adding this custom action, you need to check this include build context. Um, So also you have to add the return value here. So otherwise, this won't fit with the code you're pasting here. So this needs to be exactly the same. So at first we are checking the permission status, and we are requesting the permission for managing external storage. You need this in order to make and save the screenshots for a short time. So that's needed. And if this permission is granted, we can go on. Otherwise, we return false. So otherwise, it won't be successful. So we say, hey, screenshot wasn't taken successfully. So if we have the permission, we are taking the screenshot with with the Flutter native screenshot plugin, and we are saving the path. And yeah, basically, we're moving the path a few times, the file to the destination where we need it, and then we are sharing this file with share.share x files. So that's the Share Plus plugin, and then we are creating an X file with the cross file. Um, library, and then if that worked, it was successful and we return true. So that's basically the function. Now I will show you how you can implement it. So it works as expected. So we have this take screenshot button here. We will add an action or what? Wait, I will just copy paste what I did before, and then I will explain it. I think that's easier. So um, at first we are just adding this custom action, and well, it's called make and share screenshot. So just go to add action, make and share screenshot, add. Then we need an action output, a variable name. So um, as stated, this function returns a bool, and now we have to tell Flutterflow what the um, in what variable we want to save the bool. So we'll just call this screenshot success. Okay. So and here we can say, okay, if screenshot success, yeah, so that means if this returns true, then we don't need to do anything. But if it returns false, so if the screenshot couldn't be taken, then we want to notify the user, hey, this didn't work. And then we put up an alert dialog where we can say something. I said, hey, caution, you didn't give the permission, because that's the most usual error you are going to encounter. But you can add something else here, like another pop-up or whatever. Yeah, that's basically it. But this function works like this, but there are some more tweaks that you have to make because Android has some permission shit. It's really annoying. So when you're doing something like this, it's almost always that you have to do some tweaks to the Android manifest.xml, and that's what we are going to do now. So the next step after implementing this function, so all of this can be done in Flutterflow by now, yeah. But afterwards, you will have to download the code. Yeah, so click on download code, preparing download, and make sure you have Android Studio installed because the next step needs to be made in Android Studio. Because by now, Flutterflow doesn't support editing the Android manifest.xml, which is very annoying because, as I said, you always have to download the code, but it doesn't work otherwise. So wait for the assets to download, and I will get to you shortly. So the code just finished downloading. It's here, this fitbreaks5.zip. Extract all. Wait a second, then go to Android Studio. File. Wait a second, just to make sure that I'm opening it right. Yes. Okay. Open. Fitbreaks. This one. This window. Okay. So now I will show you which tweaks you will have to make uh, on the Android manifest.xml. I will just copy this Android manifest.xml from my other project because there are some other features I implemented in this application, like background services and stuff, which also need this some permissions to in order to run, but you don't need to add these. Okay, so I will just add them, and I will tell you which of these permissions are necessary in order for the screenshot function to run. Okay, so you will have to go to the Android manifest.xml. It's under your project, Android app source, main. There it is. So the things you will have to add for your manifest.xml is this one. So you will have to add the manage external storage permission. And you also have to make sure that this is true, but usually out of the box, Flutterflow also already sets this as true. So yeah, that's basically it. It's just this one, this little tweak that you have to make. So now I will show you what this looks like. So go to the console, type Flutter run. So we'll start the application. It will take us a few seconds. And so the application is up and running now. and I will just finish the introduction of the application. Um, okay, so now this is the first time we're starting the app, and I will just click on take screenshot, and you see it takes us to the permissions page. If we don't give the permission, well, then nothing happens, and we get this pop-up, hey, you have to give access to the permission. And then if we do it again, now we give the permission, and now the screenshot is made, and we can share it. So I hope you liked the tutorial, and I will put the code either in the description or in the comments. And if there's any questions, feel free to ask.